Hi students, in this section we are going to see few most important topic. It is efficiency calculations, efficiency from graphs. So if you see this graph, an oxygen of mass, oxygen is a diatomic and F is equal to 5/3. So here he is saying find the efficiency of the process. So efficiency of the process, efficiency is nothing but amount of work done by heat added, Q added, work done, total work done. Here if you see the pressure versus temperature graph is given, but we should find work done here. So AB process, each process will calculate total work done and each process. So total 3 steps are there from A to B. Let's see what are the equations. Whenever you solve, first Q is equal to delta U plus W. You write this one because in each process is different. So from A to B, what kind of process? P versus T is a straight line, isochoric process. So WAB is equal to 0 because isochoric process, and Q added, Q is equal to, if Q is positive, that is heat added, Q is negative, heat removed. Now Q is equal to delta U N CV into delta T. So CV into delta T. To get the delta T value, wait a minute. Yeah. So CV into delta T. So to how to get the value of delta T? So let's assume one temperature TA here. So because we don't have any relations here, it's an isochoric process. Volume remains constant. So PV. So I'm assuming the volume also V. PV is equal to NR into TA at the process A. Okay, and at process B, so 3P into V is equal to NR into TB. Next TB is equal to, what happens? TB becomes 3 times TA. TB becomes 3 times TA. If I write equation, N into number of moles is given here. So number of moles just assume as not given, so just assume as 1. So CV is equal to 3, so 5 R by 2 into delta T. So TB minus TA. So TB is nothing, okay, TB minus TA. So TB is equal to 3 TA. So it is equal to 5 R. So TB 3 TA minus TA, 2 TA by 2. So it gets cancelled. 5 R into TA is a work heat. It's a plus or minus, it's a plus. So if we got the plus value, so this is amount of heat added. So in the process AB, heat is added. Next process BC. In the process BC, work done. This is what kind of process? Isothermal process. Isothermal process, what about the work done? Q is equal to, isothermal process, Q is equal to delta U plus W. So in isothermal process, delta U becomes 0. So W in BC is equal to nRT into ln V2 by V1 or nRT into ln P1 by P2. So P1 is nothing but initial pressure, final volume, initial volume. You can write this. We know the pressures NR. What is the temperature there? 3 TA because of the TB. So it will be temperature 3 TA. So 3 TA into ln P initial. What is the pressure initially? So from process BC, initially the pressure is 3P and it is coming to the process pressure B. So ln 3 it will be. So 3 N remains N, just keep it aside. 3 RTA ln 3. So Q is nothing but, work is nothing but same. This is the positive value, so Q added here. Work is also work done by the system. So work done. Next CA. CA is equal to, next what happened to the CA? So volume is okay. So CA pressure Q is equal to, what kind of process it is? Isobaric process. It is a straight line, na? In isobaric process, Q is equal to delta U plus W, and in isobaric process Q we can write it as Q is equal to NCP into delta T. So Cp is equal to 7R by 2 into delta T. Final temperature is what? What is the final temperature? Ta minus 3Ta minus 2Ta. It is called minus 2Ta. So Ta gets cancelled. Minus 7T RTA. So this is Q. So minus sign represents heat removed. Next, this is a Q. Next, work done. So work done P into delta V is nothing but NR into delta T. So N is 1, R into delta T is nothing but minus 2Ta. So it is equal to minus 2RTA. So let's write efficiency. Efficiency is equal to total work done. So work done in AB plus BC plus CA by heat added. What are the places heat is added? And BC is added and AB also added. So work done QAB plus QBC. So this is very important, understand? Q work done by AB, in the AB process it is 0 plus BC. So BC is equal to 3RTA ln3 plus work done in 3 is equal to minus 2 RTA by, so Q added in the first, Q 3 RTA ln3 TA into ln3 plus BC is, this is what BC is. AB is nothing but 5 RTA plus 5 RTA. RTA gets cancelled. So 3 ln3 minus 2 by 3 ln3 plus 5. This is the efficiency of the cycle. So, okay, so question is easy only. Let's see this part. The diagram indicates process from n moles of ideal gas. So ideal gas is a monoatomic gas. So n mole of ideal gas is taken along the cyclic process. If they didn't give anything about gas, monoatomic or diatomic, keep it as a monoatomic. So what is the efficiency he is asking? Efficiency, let's go from AB. Work done in AB is equal to 0 because it's an isochoric process. Q is equal to delta U. Delta U is equal to NCV into delta T. So NCV delta CV I can write it as, so monoatomic 3R by 2 into N into delta T. So NR into delta T I can write it as P2 V2 minus P1 V1, 3R by 2 P0 V0 minus P0 V0. So it will be, so 3 R also gone, 3 P0 V0 by 2. Q in the process AB. Next, Q in a process BC. Wait a minute. These are little lengthy questions, but so sure they will ask 1 or 2 questions on this. Next, we added in different place. Okay. Okay, QAB we got. Next, BC process. Now the BC process is isobaric. So Q is equal to isobaric. So Q is equal to NCP into delta T. NCP is nothing but, so 5 by 2 R into N into delta T. NR into delta T is nothing but, so I can write it as 4 because PV is equal to nRT here. So 4 P0 V0 is equal to nRT2 or TC, and here 2 P0 V0 is equal to nRTA or TB. So nRTC minus TB is nothing but 4 P0 V0 minus 2 P0 V0, it is equal to 2 P0 V0. 5 by 2 is equal to 2 P0 V0, it gets cancelled, it is equal to 5 P0 V0. This is Q from BC. Next, work done in BC. What is the work done in BC? What kind of process it is? So work done is equal to area under the curve 2 P0 V0 into P0 V0, 2 P0 V0 area under the curve for this. Okay, BC I am doing directly. Next BCA over CA, worked in a process CA, so sorry CA nahi CD, worked in a process CD. So this is an isochoric process, work done is equal to CD is equal to 0, and WQ is equal to nRT ln V2 by V1, sorry ln V2 by V1, sorry isochoric process na, Q is equal to NCV into delta T. So NCV into, I am writing Q is equal to NCV into delta T. So NCV is equal to 3R by 2 N into temperature TD minus TC. So NR TD minus TC, if we write P NR TD is nothing but PD VD, NR TC is nothing but PC VC. So PD VD minus PC VC, what is a PD VD? Pressure at D is equal to P naught V2 V naught, so 2 P naught V naught and 4 P naught V naught. So subtract 2 P naught V naught, 4 P naught V naught, it will be minus 2 P naught V naught. So it will be, if you simplify, it become minus 3 P naught V naught, because 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So Q removed, heat removed from this place, and work done we already got, work done is equal to CD is equal to 0. So similarly D to A, work done from D to A, D to A, this is what kind of process? Isobaric process. Isobaric process, P into delta V. So P into delta V, what is the final? P naught V naught minus 2 P naught V naught, work done is equal to minus P naught V naught minus 2 P naught V naught. If we substitute, this is equal to minus P naught V naught. So work done from D to A, minus is a sign convention because work done is negative. Q is equal to NCP into delta T. So CP into delta T also will get a negative value. Okay, let's write CP is equal to 5 by 2 R into N into delta T is nothing but the same value, NR into delta T minus P naught V naught. So it's going to be minus 5 P naught V naught by 2 Q, and we got the process, different process. And next, efficiency is equal to total work done by Q added. Where and all Q is added, so whatever value work done is equal to, first to get the work done we can directly total work done is equal to, so area inside this curve is equal to P naught into V naught. So directly we will get P naught V naught. So P naught V naught, so here is heat added, okay, work done I am writing P naught V naught. Q added, how much is heat added? Heat added one place, it is equal to 3 by 2 P naught V naught, 5 P naught V naught, and minus everywhere, 5 by 2, 5 and 3 by 2, 5 plus 3 by 2 P naught V naught. So this is the amount, 2 by 13 is the efficiency of the system. So this is how we calculate the efficiency. There is one more question I wanted to solve, but I already took more time. Okay, this is the one question you can try to find the efficiency. This is the pressure and the other is volume, and I'm sorry, this is not pressure, this fellow wrote wrong, this is the density. Density is nothing but mass by volume is equal to rho. Volume is equal to mass by rho. So first of all try to convert this graph into PV graph and try to simplify this. Rho is equal to Pm by RT. Use this relation. Area under the curve. First, better I request you, first convert this graph to pressure versus volume. So initially P naught, finally 2 P naught. What is the density? Initially rho. So take the volume as V1. Okay. At P naught, okay, initially the density is P naught, rho naught, M by V1 is equal to rho naught. V1 is equal to M by rho naught, and V2 is equal to M by rho, density is 2 rho naught. So 2 rho naught. whose volume is more, first volume or second volume? First volume is more, so here will be V2 and the other place will be V1. So initial positions, I'm just going to explain PV graph and you have to try. Initially, how the process from A to B, what kind of process? Pressure versus volume or 1 by volume is constant. If pressure versus 1 by volume is constant, that is what kind of graph? Isothermal graph. Isothermal is, so how isothermally it's compressing, or from volume V1 to it's going to Y2, volume is going to decrease, right? So volume is going to decrease. Initially, let's write it's a pressure P0, volume is V1, here is volume V1, so P0 V1, from here to 2 P0 V0, 2 P0 V2, so it is here. How it is going to be the process as isothermal, so it's going to be like this. Compression, volume is going to be compressed. Next, what happened from B to C? Let's see B to C. So 2 P0, so we got the B and this is A. C, where it is C, 2 P0 and 2 P0 and V1, and where is the V1? 2 P0 is here and V1 is here, so draw the point here. And how it is going? Isobaric, so constant pressure, it is going in this direction. Okay, and then afterwards what's happening? So from C to A it is coming. This is C, from C to A directly it is coming. To get the efficiency, calculate the work done. So it will be lengthy one, but I am just giving you. Find the work done in each process and try to simplify this graph. Thank you.